Welcome. Today I'll walk you through publishing a dataset in Power BI. It's not rocket science, though sometimes it feels like it. We'll go step by step so you won't get lost. Prepping the dataset is key, and a well-optimized data model will save you a world of trouble later. Ready? Let's make this process as smooth as your morning coffee. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. First things first, open Power BI Desktop. If you don't have it yet, go get it, because staring at your screen won't magically install it. Make sure you have the latest version. Updates can bring cool features that make life easier. Now get ready to dive in. Next up, data prep. Think of this like cooking. If your ingredients data are messy, your dish report will be a disaster. Clean and structure your data set to avoid future headaches. Nobody likes incorrect numbers. Optimization time. A cluttered data model is like a messy desk, hard to work with. Use correct relationships and clean up unnecessary columns. A well-organized data set means faster insights and fewer stress headaches. All right, time to make a move. Click File in Power BI Desktop. It's usually hanging out in the top left corner. This is where all the magic happens, so get ready to bring your dataset to life. Now comes the fun part. Click Publish. If this feels like sending off a kid to college, don't worry, the dataset will survive. Double-check settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. Time to log in. Make sure you've got the right credentials. No one likes being locked out. Security matters, so double-check permissions. Once inside, we're on the home stretch. Where do you want this data to live? Choose a workspace wisely. It's like picking a home for your dataset. Team access is crucial, so make sure it's in the right place. Last step, give everything a final look, like proofreading an email before hitting send. Ensure the format is correct, then confirm the upload. And just like that, your dataset is live. Congratulations! Your dataset has officially moved in. Open Power BI Service and check it out. Make sure everything is in order, then get ready to leverage your data for powerful insights. Let's talk about dataset integrity, basically making sure our data isn't lying to us. First, we check for any missing or messed up values. Then we ensure the format is consistent so our data doesn't cause chaos later. Relationships between datasets. They need to make sense, like a well-balanced friendship. And lastly, sanity checks. We don't want unexpected surprises when analyzing our data. Refreshing datasets is like setting up a morning alarm. It has to be reliable. We automate refresh schedules so our data stays updated. Of course, we need the right permissions because no one likes locked doors. We keep an eye on failures because if something breaks, we don't want to find out too late. And we optimize refresh frequency so we're not overwhelming the system. A balance is key. Data access is all about giving the right people the right keys. We define access roles so that everyone sees only what they should. Secure sharing is a must, no data leaks allowed. Row-level security ensures people see just their slice of the dataset, like a well-portioned pizza. Finally, collaboration settings help teams work smoothly because teamwork makes the dream work. Reports are where the magic happens. First, we pick visuals that make sense, because nobody likes confusing charts. Filters and slicers bring interactivity, making reports dynamic rather than static walls of numbers. Intuitive layout matters because clarity beats clutter. And finally, reports should serve the business needs, because data without purpose is like a GPS with no destination. Performance monitoring is like checking your car's mileage. You need to know how efficiently things run. We track query times so nothing is sluggish. Bottlenecks, we hunt them down like detectives. Indexing keeps things speedy because waiting forever is not an option. And a smooth user experience is the end goal, because frustration-free analytics makes happy analysts. Updating datasets is like giving them a fresh coat of paint. Sometimes they need a touch-up. First, we modify things as needed, ensuring improvements are actually helpful. Then we validate updates to avoid surprises. Communicating changes is key. No one likes sudden shifts without a heads up. And finally, version control ensures we can track history, because having backups is always a smart move. Congratulations! We've successfully published the dataset in Power BI, meaning the data is live, accessible, and ready to impress. Reports and dashboards are working, permissions are set, and automated refreshes are good to go. Now it's time for insights, decisions, and data-driven brilliance. Take a bow because great analytics starts with a well-published dataset. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.